This video is an introduction to the Avada options panel. So if we log into our website, and in the dashboard we will see Avada options. And it's here that we can take control of all the different options, all the global options on our website. Okay, so if we come down the list here, we can see many different things. So we have so many ways to customize our website. For example, here, if we go to colors, we can see here that our main primary accent color is this wine color. If we go to the header here, we can see them all these different header formats. We've chosen this top one here. So this header can be styled. Okay, menu. We can see here all these different options. This is the menu font that we are using. Okay, the menu font here, which is Nicola. The menu color, menu size. We come down, we can see the logo that we're using here. We have the retina, the default. The retina is always exactly 2 times larger than the regular logo. We have the mobile logo coming down, typography, the body text, which is this text here. We can adjust the size, the line height. We can choose which font we want to use, and the link color. Heading all the way from H1 all the way down to H6. Okay, let's change that. Post title. Post title is related with this here. Okay, so we're using the post element for the venues, and also the blog is a post title here. Okay. You can see here we have the custom fonts. We're no longer using this one, so we can save. Blog, okay. All the settings for the blog. Portfolio, social media, social sharing box. We can choose what we want to have in a social box, sharing box. Which is this box here. At the moment we have these icons. We can add more, and so on and so forth. Okay, so everything is here. All your options. Boxed, wide mode, site content mode. I would be careful changing any of these things. But you may want to change some things, and this is where you do it. Avada, site options, and then you have all of these options here.